Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from progressions of 8th class. Okay, the question is if the sum of first 10 terms of an AP is 4 times the sum of its 5 terms. First, let us write the sum of first 10 terms of 10 terms of an AP. How can we write? What is the formula for that? Sn, sum of the terms, Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into p. This is the formula we have to use for this problem. Okay. So here in the first statement what it is given, sum of first 10 terms of an AP. So here n equals to 10 and we don't know a or d. Okay, we know only the n value. So this can be written as, how my Sn is can be written as S10 equals to 10 by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 is 10 minus 1 into d, we don't know, so d. So S10 is equals to 2 in 10 5 times. So 5 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 is 9d, right? So take this as first equation. Next, what is given? This is 4 times the sum of its 5 terms. So let us write the sum of 5 terms. Here n equals to 5. So S5 equals to 5 by 2 into 2a plus, here n is 5, so 5 minus 1 into d. So S5 equals to 5 by 2 into 2a plus 4d, right? Okay, so this how we can simplify 5 by 2 of, in this 2 you take 2 common, a plus 2d will be there, this 2 get cancelled, and what left? 5 into a plus 2d left, which is equals to 5a plus 10d. Yes, this also let us multiply and do the first one, 10a plus 45d. Take this as equation 1, this as equation 2. What is given in the question? What is given in the question, ma? If the sum of first 10 terms of an AP is 4 times the sum of its 5 terms, means S10 equals to 4 into S of 5. Now substitute S10 and S5 values here. What is S10? 10A plus 45D is equals to 4 into what is S5? 5A plus 10D, right? So what we will get? 10a plus 45d equals to 4 into 5a plus 10d, which implies I am transposing the values. I am bringing this part to here and leaving 4 here. So 10a plus 45d is by, this comes down, no, 5a plus 10d equals to 4. Now in the numerator and denominator we have 5 common. So 5 common, if you take here left, what? 2a plus 9d by here 5 common, a plus 2d equals to 4 is nothing but 4 by 1. So 5 cancel. Here what we got? 2a plus 9d equals to 4. Again this is, take it as a, and what do you have left? One more, a plus 2d is equals to 1. This is b. Now solving a and b. A and b. What you will get? 2a plus 9d equals to 4. A plus 2d equals to 1. Now multiply the second equation by 2. 2a plus 9d equals to 4. 2a plus 4d equals to 2. Now subtract, minus, minus, minus. If you subtract the second equation all symbols change to the opposite signs. Here, that is, here the first term is having positive, so it becomes negative. Second term positive becomes negative, and the constant also positive, it becomes negative. Now subtract the the first equation is plus 2a, the second is minus 2a, get cancelled. Now 9d minus 4d is 5d, equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. So d equals to 2 by 5. So here we got d equal to 2 by 5. Substituting d value in, I am substituting in b. Substituting d value in b. A plus 2 into d is 2 by 5 equals to 1. A plus 4 by 5 equals to 1. A equals to 1 minus 4 by 5, which is equals to 5 minus 4 by 5, which equals to 1 by 5. So A equals to 1 by 5. So in the question what it is asked, the ratio of the first term to the common difference is, first term is here A. So A by D. He asked that. That is the ratio. Means A is to D can be written as what? A by D. So A by D is equals to what is A? 1 by 5 whole by 2 by 5, which is equals to 1 by 5, and this here it is dividing, you take the reciprocal, and this the second fraction also becomes reciprocal, 5 by 2. So 5 cancel, which is equals to 1 by 2, and this can be written as 1 is to 2. So this is the solution. Understood? Don't think this as a big problem. Just I explained each and every step properly, so to for your understandability, so you can skip some of the steps, right? If you understand properly, you can easily do the problem by skipping some of the steps. Okay, if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.